Hello, it's Kristy, and I'm back cooking my way through my grandma's 1950 Betty Crocker Picture Cookbook. And today is a very exciting day because we're working on Christmas cookies. Betty divides the cookie chapter into drop cookies, refrigerator cookies, rolled cookies, and also Christmas cookies, which is what we're working on. Look at this beautiful abundance and this very, very flocked tree. Gay shapes for holiday cheer. There are all kinds of Christmas cookies, but we are going to be working on decorative favorites from lands afar, and specifically the Finska Kakor, which is Finnish cakes. And I'm sure I didn't say that right. To make these nut-studded butter strips from Finland, you mix together 3/4 cup of soft butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of almond extract, and 2 cups of flour. It specifically says gold medal flour because this entire book is about product placement. It suggests to mix with your hands and then chill the dough. After that, you're going to roll out the dough 1/4 inch thick, cut it into 2.5 inch strips that are 3/4 inches wide. Brush the tops with a beaten egg white, and then sprinkle that with a mixture of sugar and finely chopped almonds. Bake until they're very delicate golden brown, and then you get to eat them. Well, friends, that was fraught with complications. The dough wouldn't hold together, we couldn't find the pastry brush, but we persevered, and now it's time to try some cookies. They're like shortbread, really buttery and crumbly. I would make those 100 times again. They're great. Happy cooking!